What's up? My name is Xavier.
Hello, my name is Kyla.
We are 8th grade students who attend Manchester Academic Charter School, commonly known as MAX.
MAX is the second oldest charter school in the state, entering our new home this year at the Museum Lab.
The Museum Lab includes many cool and innovative features, such as the Make Lab, Tech Lab, Gymnasium, and large classrooms.
What also makes the Museum Lab cool is that it's located in the heart of various businesses, many located at the Nova Place.
Every day, many people walk through Nova Place, stopping for breakfast, coffee, and other beverages.
One of our favorite beverages is Red Ribbon Soda Pop, manufactured by Natrona Bottling Company.
It's not an everyday soda pop, so we wanted to investigate where it came from.
Natrona Bottling Company is a 116-year-old soda pop shop out of Natrona, PA. We're about 20 minutes outside of Pittsburgh, PA. We make and bottle all our products in the same form and fashion that we have for over 70 years. We're the last in the country that used that style of carbonation. We make soda pop in the tradition that made America fall in love with soda pop.
Well, part of it starts with having a formula and developing the formulas. So we do our own research and development. We mix up the sugar and the water. It gets pumped from one mix room to another. The ingredients, the additional ones, are added. It's gravity fed into the filler and into the glass bottles. The carbonated water is added. It comes out, it gets capped, goes down the line to the mixer, and then from the mixer it proceeds on to the labeler.
One of like maybe 15 in the country that make a bottle sodas in the manner in which we do, and it's a labor of love.
Hey Ari, why is manufacturing so cool?
We discovered that it is very important to sustain great knowledge about manufacturing, as it can promote many values in the future.
What's also cool about manufacturing is that it's easy to get a job in that field. It's based upon skills and the things you like to do.